Hey SBR Nation, welcome back to another video. I know I've been away for a long time, but I thought I'll just come back with a short video on a wig transformation that I did over the Christmas period. So you'd have seen me do a review on this hair when the company had sent it to me. I did a review on it and everything already. So I wore this out for the first time after doing that review. And while it was given, it was like long and I wasn't really feeling it. And you can see that because this is a synthetic hair, so like when it's long it starts getting ruffled and stuff like that. So I decided I'm going to transform this wig, and that is basically what this video was about. Just showing you how I transformed it and got it into that bob that you would have seen in the previous clips. So I hope you enjoy this video. On the day that I did this, I had done another wig review that will be up on this channel soon if it's not up already, by Love Me Hair. And then I decided, okay, I'm going to take this wig off. And then because it was a Christmas period, I decided why not do a little festive hairstyle, something different, something festive to keep me for about a week. So I decided I'm gonna transform this into a bob and then do it. So you can see here that I was just measuring, I was freehanding this, I was just going with the vibes, I was just cutting, going with the vibes. So I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm just let you guys watch the video and just watch the process. And yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I was pretty pleased with it. Just say that it's my first time cutting a wig as such and actually wearing it out and stuff. Like, I was pretty pleased with the job I did. So yeah, and I wore it. I literally took it off today, and this is now the 29th of December. So I've put this on from the 23rd or 24th of December. So yeah, it lasted for a week. It lasted all throughout Christmas. And I loved it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.